Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get new mystery gift codes in Pokémon Legends ZA. Alright, let's begin. In Pokémon Legends ZA, mystery gifts are available for a limited time, so it is important to redeem them before they expire. To start, open the mystery gift option from the main menu. From here, you can either enter a code or receive gifts through the internet, depending on the reward. The first active code is B1G0006. Redeeming this code will give you a free Charizard. This reward is only available until January 19th, so make sure to claim it as soon as possible. Another code named Preparing is currently available that rewards you with multiple in-game items. This code expires on March 31st, giving you more time to redeem it. You can also choose the Receive via Internet option to claim additional mystery gifts without entering a code. This includes a Ralts, which is available until February 28th. Always check expiration dates, since once they pass, the rewards can no longer be claimed. So that's basically how you can get new mystery gift codes in Pokémon Legends ZA. That's it for this video. Thanks!